Yeah, well, somebody's up there. There you go. Yeah.
Better off there because most of the way is coming this way.
Oh, got it.
He's gonna call you.
You like plum?
The purple ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. I do like those. I had 2 today. Can I steal it?
Hey. There's 3 more. That one, and that one. I'll have plum.
Why is this one lower?
Take it.
Well, thank you. I love fruit. Thank you. Ah.
Video.
Hey, why don't you just go take a shower out there? Why?
I want you walking in on me.
Well, I'm gonna be down here. Austin's and.
I want Austin walking in on me.
Come on, do it.
Not yet. Let's do it.
Oh. You sure though?
Hello?
Oh, is that thunder?
Hello? Yeah.
No. Garbage dumpster.
Yeah. It's just saying lock 1 like the other one did.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, that little arrow. I hit that. Yep. Yeah, I looked at the manual that you sent me. Yeah, I know. Yep. The only one I saw was soaking wet laying on the floor. Yep, it was right next to the one for the new furnace that you're putting in. Yeah, I saw a partial one laying on the floor, and I picked that up, and the one that I was looking for was laying on the floor underneath it. That was soaking wet.
Oh, he's in there getting ready. Oh, it's not there.
Yeah, by the way, you said, oh, I'm going to call you out on this so hard right now.
Yeah.
You told me last time the phone wouldn't let you pick up.
No, I'm right here
So I
next
called
door
twice
visiting right now.
to get the second chance. And then I texted you.
Yep.
And then I called him, or he
Yep.
called me after I texted him. It's like,
Okay.
yeah, have Ernie text me back. And then you text me back.
What are you filming?
No, I can't.
clouds.
You can call me.
Huh?
The clouds.
Oh,
You can call me.
Watching the clouds flying by.
I can take it back.
Remember the clouds flying by?
Yeah, and the wind.
Huh?
And the wind.
Again. Well, you can't do that.
did your phone not let you answer again?
I figured you'd be texting.
Wow.
I don't pick it up fast enough, so you usually, if I don't, you usually leave me a text. And you did. So time to get ready to see who it is, it disappears.
You know, I figured you'd have to look at it.
Unless I have it right there by my side, like this, if I don't.
Oh.
I figured you'd have butt play. I figured you'd have a cheese, couple sticks, hold it, wrap it up,
I thought about that.
sit right out here on your wheelchair and let the wind go.
I was up there saying, we need a flag. Make a little sail.
You have a hard time getting back, but go that way.
Where did I do this?
But if you Why you want to